Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Greetings from Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Greetings from the Philippines. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Santiago, sa Pilipinas. Oh my God, napakainit po ng panahon. Kasabay nito ang mainit na pagbati ko sa ating golden girl, ang ating Madam Eileen. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Sana lahat ng pinapangarap mo sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa mga kaibigan mo ay matupad. At sana mabigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at marami pang kaarawan na isi-celebrate. I wish you all the best, nothing but the best, and continue to be an inspiration sa mga tao, continue to help, and sana mag-boom palalo ang Apple Resto Bar para mabigyan pa ng maraming pagkakataon ang ating mga local artists to perform and show their talents. Again, I know tonight will be a grand night for you kasi kasama mo lahat ng mga mahal mo sa buhay, mga kaibigan mo. And enjoy, guys. And I so miss everybody. I miss Apple Bar. I miss all of you. But again, as I said, there's something that I need to pursue back home. And sana pagdasan nyo rin na maging successful din ako sa endeavor ko. Again, Madam Eileen, have a blessed birthday. May the good Lord shower you with more blessings, shower you with her mercy, with His mercy, and more years to celebrate. Thank you. This has been the idol Joel Miranda.
Hi Eileen, hello. Long time no see. Anyway, I just would like to say a happy birthday to you, and I wish you more golden age to come, o diba, hanggang mag-Jurassic ka. Anyway, welcome to the golden age. Hindi na natin pwedeng pagkailayan, but then the best thing there is you are in good health. And again, happy birthday to you, and welcome to the golden.
Hi! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, Madam Eileen. Happy golden birthday. This is Jolly T. Greetings all the way from the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham.
Happy birthday, Mother Eileen. I never thought that you're already on your golden years. But anyway, many happy returns and enjoy your life. Enjoy life, and we love you so much.
Hello, Ate Eileen. Happy birthday po sa inyo. And I wish you all the best in life. More success, more money, more love, more blessings. And ang pinaka-importante ay good health po sa inyo at sa buo niyong pamilya. Gusto ko rin po sanang i-take this opportunity to thank you. Massive thank you po sa lahat ng nagawa niyo para sa akin, na ibigay niyo sa akin, na itulong niyo sa akin. Hindi ko na po sa isahin yon. Alam niyo na po yun kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. And also, thank you for accepting me for who I am and being a part of Apo family, na hindi ko po malilimutan. At gaya rin po na sabi ko noon, na hindi ko kayo malilimutan ni Kuya Jake, na naging yung tinanggap nyo ko as part of the family. Maraming salamat po at
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Eileen. Ngayon, nalalaman ko na kung ilang taon ka na. Dati tinatanong ko yan sa'yo kung ilang taon ka, hindi mo masasabi. Ngayon, 50 ka na. Yay! Yan, happy golden. Ganun, living up na tayo, Ate Eileen. Ayan, I wish you all the best and love and more blessing to come and good health to you and your family. So, ate, love na love kita. Ayan, happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Hi guys! So, I just want to say happy birthday to the mother of Apple Bar. So I just finished relaxing at this beautiful lounge here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Happy birthday, wishing you all the best, good health, and thank you for being so lovely and very kind to everybody, to all of us, especially the artist. And wishing you all the best, happy birthday, golden girl. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Eileen. God bless you po and more power to you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Hello, Miss Eileen. Happy birthday. May God bless you always and may God grant all the desires of your heart. Thank you for welcoming me as one of your Apo artists. Sana i-enjoy mo ang araw mo ngayon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to our boss, Ma'am Eileen, from the bottom of my liver and my heart and my kidney. I would like to greet you a happy birthday and wish you all well, wish you good health and more success sa business niyo po. God bless you. I miss you. Thank you so much. God bless. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eileen. Happy birthday to you. Charis. Merry Christmas po, Ate Eileen, and happy April Fool's Day. Charot. Ayan, happy birthday, Ate Eileen. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa iyo at kay Kuya Jake sa pag-welcome po sa akin sa inyong tahanan. And, syempre, maraming salamat din po dahil sa inyo ay nakakapagbaon na po ako ng kaldereta sa trabaho. Ayan po. Gusto ko lang din pong ikwento ng kaunti na yung meron po talagang mga tao na sa una pag nakita mo parang meron kang first impression. So ngayon yung first impression ko po sa inyo, sabi ko, hala, si Ate Eileen parang ang sungit-sungit, parang nananampal ng katulong. Ganon. Pero pag nakasama mo na naman talaga ng ilang beses, makikilala mo sila ng mas malalim pa. So ngayon, ang pagkakakilala ko sa inyo po, ayan, napapakain po pala kayo ng katulong. At nagpapasweldo po ng maayos. Kaya charot. Anyway, napakabait nyo po at ang sarap nyo pong patawanin. At minsan ko na po kayo nakasama sa pagkatapos po ng show natin at ang gaan-gaan po ng loob ko sa inyo. And ang wish ko po sa inyo ay sana magkaroon pa po kayo ng more memories and of course, happy moments po with your family, especially na sana pa makapag-gather po kayo, makapag-experience pa kayo ng maraming travels together and sana po more blessings to come. Kasi pag blessed po kayo, magiging blessed po kami sa amo. Charos. Pero totoo yon. Anyway, maraming salamat po and happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless.
Boss Eileen, happy birthday po sa inyo. More power and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come at stay healthy po. And sana po magkasama-sama ulit tayo. Peace, love, rock and roll. Happy birthday!
Eileen, happy birthday. More power, more birthdays to come. Good health and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday.
Boss Eileen, good afternoon po. Ito, Chrisan po ng Lisa 945. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come and may your business prosper po, ate. Regards to all and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eileen. Kami po ang Hey Jose and we'd like to greet you. Happy birthday and I hope you're having fun with your celebration ngayon kasama yung family mo and friends. Again, we'd like to thank you as well for giving us the chance to perform dyan sa Apo Resto Bar. Kayo ni Sir Jake. So, yun. I hope you're having fun again and God bless you po. God bless and happy birthday.
Hello, Sis Eileen. Happy birthday on behalf of the Freeway Band. May you have many more birthdays and blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Eileen. Love you. Mahal kita, Mark Kensington.
Happy birthday, Ate Eileen. God bless you.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Wish ko is more success, good health, and power.
Happy birthday, madam! Ilang taon na? Bumabata si madam. Niyo liblong. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang.
Hi Ate Eileen, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng birthday mo. More blessings to come sa'yo and more birthdays to come.
Hi Ate Eileen, happy 50th birthday. I wish you a good health and a happy life, more birthday to come, and I wish you all the best. Always take care and happy birthday.
Hello Ate Eileen, happy golden birthday to you, Maricoy. Sana marami ka pang gold na ma-receive, means blessings. Wish you good health, more blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. And thank you, hindi lang ako naging parte ng Pinakurat, naging parte din ako ng Apo family. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap nyo sa akin ni Kuya and my kids. And I pray na maging successful lalo ang business ng Apo Resto Bar. And thank you for everything. Sana na-surpresa ka namin. I love you so much. God bless you. Let's party!
Happy birthday, Tita Eileen. I hope you enjoy your birthday with all your friends and family. Wish you all the best, and may the Lord God bless you always. Thank you for everything, and we love you all.
Tita Eileen, I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Marceline!
More birthdays to come and more success sa business ninyo. Happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Nina Eileen! Enjoy!
Hello, Maricoy. Birthday mo na naman pala. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon in your matinding resto bar and all the best.
Happy birthday, Ate Eileen! I wish you all the best.
Hi Ate Eileen! Happy 50th birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday, Eileen! Sana maging successful palagi yung business mo.
Happy birthday, tita. Wish you all the best. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Eileen! Sana marami pang birthday, maraming birthday pang.
Happy birthday po pala. Ingat po palagi dyan. And more birthday pounds po. And God bless to your family po. And always ingat.
Happy birthday, Ate Eileen! More blessing po sa inyo dyan. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Eileen, happy birthday. More birthday and blessings to come.
You guys be serious. Chula sapi. La sapi. Tini sapi. Witali da da ya. Chuli bahai. Ada dali da da.
Take two.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Take three.
We do the whole
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you for
Take four. Happy birthday.
AJ, can
Take
you
five.
do the whole recorder?
Take six. Let's do the dance again.
Take
seven. Take I don't know.
Happy
birthday, Mom.
Thank you for everything you have helped.
Ruined it.
I'm doing that part because you kept
Take
laughing.
nine.
Happy
birthday, Mom.
Thank you for all you've done for us, and we are really grateful.
Very grateful, Mom.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Love you. Nobody.
Party time! Party time! Party time! Toilet break!
Happy birthday. So I'm AJ Soul. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you. AJ Soul taking a video on the toilet. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you.
Thank you, Mum, for everything you've done. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mum. Love you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Mom, for everything you have done for us. We are very grateful that you cared for us all these years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you for guiding us all through these years.
Hi, Han. Happy birthday. Thanks for being great mom to our kids. We love you so much. We wish that you had many more birthdays and blessings to come. I love you. Mwah.